Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title: Implementing Extended Kalman Filter in Python with GitHub Code Example. Introduction. Extended Kalman Filter, EKF, is an essential tool in the field of estimation and control, particularly for nonlinear systems. Unlike the traditional Kalman filter, which is applicable only to linear systems, EKF extends its capabilities to handle nonlinear systems by linearizing the system dynamics and measurement functions around the current estimated state. In this tutorial, we will explore the implementation of extended Kalman filter in Python using GitHub resources along with a practical code example. Prerequisites. Before diving into this tutorial, it's recommended to have a basic understanding of Step 1. Setting up Python environment. First, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from the official website, https://www.python.org. Next, create a virtual environment for your project to keep dependencies isolated. You can use virtualenv or conda for this purpose. Step 2. Understanding extended Kalman filter. Extended Kalman filter consists of two main steps. The key idea behind EKF is to linearize the system dynamics and measurement functions at each time step around the current estimated state. Step 3. Finding a GitHub repository. GitHub is a great platform for finding open source projects and code examples. Search for a Python implementation of extended Kalman filter. You can use keywords like extended Kalman filter Python or EKF Python GitHub. Choose a repository that is well documented and maintained by a reliable source. Look for repositories with a high number of stars, forks, and contributions. Step 4. Cloning the repository. Once you've found a suitable repository, clone it to your local machine using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Replace repository_URL with the URL of the GitHub repository you found in the previous step. Step 5. Understanding the code. Explore the cloned repository to understand its structure and contents. Look for documentation, README files, and example scripts that explain how to use the extended Kalman filter implementation. Focus on understanding the core components of the EKF implementation, such as prediction, update, state transition function, and measurement function. Step 6. Running the example. Most GitHub repositories provide example scripts to demonstrate the usage of their implementations. Run the example script provided in the repository to see the extended Kalman filter in action. Make sure to follow the instructions provided in the repository's documentation or README file to set up any dependencies or configuration required to run the example script. Step 7. Experimenting and learning. After running the example script, experiment with different parameters, system models, and measurement scenarios to deepen your understanding of the extended Kalman filter. Modify the code and observe how changes affect the filter's performance. This hands-on experimentation is crucial for gaining practical insights into the workings of the EKF. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored the implementation of extended Kalman filter in Python using GitHub resources. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should now have a better understanding of how to find, clone, and utilize open source implementations of the extended Kalman filter in your own projects. Experimentation and practice are key to mastering this powerful tool for estimation and control in nonlinear systems. ChatGPT